Lois Befan ydw i, cydlynydd prosiect Gronfa Fuddsoddi Leol yma yn Gogledd Cymru. Gwerth y prosiect ydy 2.6 miliwn. Os i'n dweud, allan o'r 1.9 miliwn, da ni wedi buddsoddi, mae yna 300 o swyddi wedi cael eu creu a gwmpas 120 o swyddi wedi cael eu diogelu yn yr ardal dros y 4 mlynedd dwytha. Ac wrth gwrs mae yna flwyddyn arall i fynd, lle da ni'n tybio creu o leia 100 o swyddi newid eto dros y flwyddyn nesaf. Mae'n enghreifftiau o cwmnïau sydd ddim wedi datblygu neu cychwyn heb law am cael y cymorth ariannol gan y LIF. Un ydy More Maintenance Company yn Sir Fôn, criw o ddynion gollodd eu swyddi o angles aluminium, a mi ddata ni am cymorth busnes. A mi nathon ni allu helpu cynnig yr grant LIF iddyn nhw, a nathon nhw ddechrau busnes i newid efo sgiliau nhw wedi cael o'i cyfnod yn angles aluminium. Maen nhw rwan wedi mynd ymlaen ac yn cwmni reit cryf yn cyflogi o gwmpas 10.
I'm David Evans. I'm one of the directors of Dylan's restaurant in Menai Bridge. And we were lucky enough last year to be awarded a LIF grant when we were planning the opening of this restaurant. And it helped us significantly in terms of our planning. We were helped enormously by people locally who kind of helped us put together our application. And the £35,000 that we finally were awarded helped us fit out a good kitchen. Without it, I don't know, we may not have opened. You know, it's not just about money, it's also about the confidence that it gives you and the recognition that you get and the approval of your business plan. We made the assumption that we would create 13 jobs with the restaurant. That would convert to about 8 full-time jobs. In actual fact, we've way exceeded that expectation. On payroll at the end of March last year, we were up to 33 members of staff.
I'm Steve Mayers of Becyn Climbing Walls, a company based in North Wales who manufacture climbing walls. We fabricate them in a workshop up here and install them all around the UK. We have 2 different sites. We have the climbing centre in a very old building up in Wynfawr, the manufacturing on a different site altogether in a pretty dilapidated old workshop, to be fair. The opportunity really was to bring everything together under pretty much one roof and build a state-of-the-art climbing centre which would basically show off our product and enable us to sort of expand in the way we've been wanting to. Any sort of grant is always useful. At the time we were struggling because we were standardising our production process, so we bought an iron worker which basically speeded things up a lot. Our turnover has increased substantially since we had the grant. We're employing over 10 people in the manufacturing, a similar kind of number on the climbing centre side. We're about to advertise for 2 or 3 more full-time posts, so pretty positive for us at the minute.
My name's Dave Thomas. I'm the Managing Director of North Wales Engineering Services Limited. When we took over the business, we were in a different building to this, and we highlighted that we needed some investment to actually allow us to grow the business. We've now moved premises with the help of the local investment fund, who were extremely helpful in showing us how to go about this move. And without that, the business wouldn't have been allowed to grow. We're now in a situation where year on year we've doubled the turnover of the business, and we've increased our employees to a total of 9, including an engineering apprentice.
I went to 6th form. I did my A-levels in maths, ICT and design technology, and in my spare time I restored and modified classic cars, at which point I met the owner of this business, Dave Thomas, and after having a few bits done, ended up getting chatting, and we arranged an apprenticeship, and it went from there.
We see ourselves within the next 2 years of employing a further 3 people, and that's skilled engineers. So we're investing in the future by employing our own apprentice. We see that will be something that goes on. Again, we expect to have another apprentice within the next 3 years.
There was always the option of going elsewhere for a job. There are plenty closer to the border, as in Chester, Wrexham, even Liverpool or Manchester, but I like living around here. It's a nice place to be. My family's around here, my friends are around here, and getting a secure apprenticeship like this that's sealed the deal, really.